Are you considering OpenKey for your real estate property management needs? Before making a decision, there are 12 things you should know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether OpenKey is the right choice for you, or if there's a better option out there. First up, OpenKey offers a cloud-based platform with an emphasis on simplifying property management tasks. While it's not the only software of its kind, it does stand out by offering integrated solutions for both residential and commercial properties. Compared to other industry leaders like AppFolio and Buildium, OpenKey offers a more affordable pricing structure, but let's dive deeper into the features. Next, let's talk about the user interface. OpenKey is known for its clean, intuitive design, making it easy for property managers to navigate and use. While other platforms can be a bit clunky, OpenKey simplifies tasks like lease tracking, payment processing, and maintenance requests. But if you're someone who likes a lot of customization options, you might find it a bit limited in that area compared to competitors like Rentec Direct, which offers more flexibility. The third thing to consider is automation. OpenKey automates many repetitive tasks, including rent reminders, payment collection, and lease renewals. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're managing multiple properties. However, some users feel that the automation features are less sophisticated than those offered by larger platforms like AppFolio, which includes more advanced options for custom workflows. The fourth thing to know is OpenKey's customer support. Users report generally positive experiences with their customer service team, but it's worth noting that response times can sometimes be slower during peak hours. In comparison, platforms like Buildium are known for offering more extensive support with dedicated account managers, though this often comes at a higher price point. Next, we need to talk about integration. OpenKey integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, which is a huge plus for property managers who want to keep their finances organized. But when compared to competitors like Propertyware, OpenKey's integration options can feel a bit limited, especially when it comes to syncing with third-party apps or other real estate tools. Another thing to keep in mind is the mobile app. OpenKey's mobile app is fairly straightforward, allowing property managers to access critical information on the go. However, it doesn't offer as many features or as smooth of an experience as competitors like AppFolio or Tenant Cloud, which provide more robust mobile functionality. The seventh point is reporting. OpenKey offers basic reporting features, such as rent rolls and expense reports, which cover the essentials. But if you're after more in-depth analytics, you may find the reports lacking compared to platforms like Rentec Direct, which provides more granular data for performance tracking and decision-making. Next, let's talk about pricing. OpenKey is a more budget-friendly option, especially for smaller property managers. The pricing is generally lower than other popular platforms like AppFolio and Buildium, but it doesn't come with as many premium features as those higher-end systems, so it's worth considering if you're willing to trade a lower price for fewer advanced capabilities. The ninth point is scalability. OpenKey is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized property management operations, but as your portfolio grows, you might hit some limitations. Larger organizations may find that other solutions like Yardi or AppFolio provide more scalability and are better equipped to handle larger numbers of units and more complex needs. Moving on, let's talk about customization. OpenKey's platform is easy to use but lacks some of the deep customization options that other platforms like Buildium or Propertyware offer. If you need to tailor the software to fit very specific business needs, you might find OpenKey a bit limiting. Next thing to know is security. OpenKey uses standard encryption protocols to keep your data safe, but it doesn't have the same robust security features offered by some other platforms, such as multi-factor authentication and detailed user permission settings, which are found in systems like Rentec Direct or AppFolio. Another important factor is user feedback. Many users appreciate how OpenKey simplifies property management tasks, but some report occasional glitches with the software, especially during updates. This is something to consider if you're running a larger operation, where reliability is key. In contrast, other platforms like Buildium